New meter in the mail today. Check it out. Good evening, YouTube. Here with you on this, this is Thursday, I believe. Evening, it's 5:57. I know 6 o'clock's supposed to be the mark for evening, but you know, it's close enough. 3 minutes. So, what I got today is hopefully a short video. You guys know how that goes, right? I'll take a quick peek at the C3 all kind of sitting together. Now it's not bolted up, but it's just sitting there. That's what it's basically going to look like. But like I said, that's what it'll be like once it gets done. It's on the cabinet going and everything. I do have new knobs ordered. I mentioned that in the comments, but now the knobs I've got coming are a little bit different type. They are gray, and they are similar in design to this. They're a little bit smaller diameter as far as the roundness of this, and they are a different type. They are the type with the top will pop off, and there's a screw there, and there's like a round thing with 4 jaws that will compress as you tighten the screw. And I'm going to try that and see if that don't work a little bit better. Now, one of the other problems I may have is these are the only kind I could find were 6mm knobs, and a 1/4-inch knob shaft is just a little bit bigger than 6mm. But I'm hoping, you know, if with those type of jaws like they are, that maybe I can get them on there good enough and get them tightened and work all right. If not, I can always, a lot of people are saying they drill them with a 1/4-inch drill, so that's a possibility too. But like I said, that's down the road. They're coming from China, so we all know how that is. That's a hit or miss thing. What I got here today in the mail is this lovely digital multimeter. Now, some of you guys know about this. I don't know if you all do or not, but Bob's the one that gave me the link for learning electronics. Had a review, take apart, whatever you want to call it, on this particular meter, and it caught my attention because it's number one, auto ranging, and it is true RMS. And like I said, I thought, well, that's a nice little meter. And then the shocker was that it only was $9.97 on Amazon. And I thought, well, that's perfect. And their review bore out the fact that this is a good meter. And so I passed it along to Wally over at Wally's Place 66. And I think he ordered one. And like I said, I went ahead and bought one too, because that, you know, I think I paid $11.38 shipped on eBay for mine, but when I got this, it came in an Amazon bag, box, whatever you want to call it. So obviously this guy must have just ordered a bunch of them drop ship, had them drop shipped, I guess. That's the only thing I can think of. But so anyway, let's open it up, see what it looks like. And there's our instruction sheet, and it looks like it's got some information in it. You know, real men don't read instructions, so you know that. Well, let's take it out of the box, have a little closer look at it. Well, maybe I will, maybe I won't. It's sealed. Well, I'm not gonna I don't know if I'm gonna bother with that. I was just kind of wanting to see what it looked like. And it's got the I think it's got a, yeah, there it is, stand for it. Let's see what's in the box as far as accessories. Probes, I'm sure. There's one bag of probes. There's the main probes. And that's pretty much it. So let's put this up out of the way. And I reckon I will go ahead and open this. I hadn't really planned on taking a long time to do this. See what I need here. Maybe I can do the screwdriver. Maybe that'll be good enough to get it open. Yep, steel is stronger than plastic, apparently. Who would have thunk that? Much plastics they use in cars these days, you wouldn't really know that, would you? Alright, well there's what it looks like stood up. Ain't a bad looking meter. Don't see where you turn it on at. Oh, I guess right here. How about that? It even works. Let's see. There's hertz, voltage DC, I think. I believe it's DC voltage. Why it would be AC, I wouldn't know. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe that's what it is. That's voltage AC right there. Okay. Alright. Yeah, here's your... So that's AC voltage, DC voltage, millivolts, AC and DC, looks like. I'll have to read I guess I will have to read instructions. Let's put the things in and see if we get a continuity. Put them in common and in voltage. Fit pretty good in there. And we'll touch these together. Apparently I don't have it right. Maybe I'm on the wrong thing again. Let's see. That says ohms. And I assumed that was a sound. And I have these in correctly. I have them in the comm and the voltage. Let's try it again and see what it does. Yeah, 0.0 or 0.4. I guess the leads are not the best. Oh, there's 0.2. Not bad. Not bad at all. Wonder where that I had that 2000 or 200K. There it is. Let's measure that real quick, see what it measures. This is what I use to calibrate the, or going to use to calibrate the heat kit. $199. Pretty close. Now you see up there, I don't know if you can hardly see it, but up here at the top it says K ohms. So that's how you know what range you're on. Let's do it one more time here. There you go, see the K ohm? 199.2. Pretty good. We know there's a little bit of a resistance in the leads themselves, so I think that's about it. Let's try some AC voltage. Just run over here to the outlet, see what it gives us. 117, 116. Yep, 117. Ours varies quite a bit here, so yep, looks good. Very good. Well, I have a text. As I said, I wasn't going to make a long video. It's already 9 minutes, so let me get off here. You guys have a wonderful day, and this is I just wanted to show that the meter did arrive and it does work, and I'm happy about that. So thanks for watching, and we will talk at you later. See ya.